Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to draw a rectangle in Canva. To draw a rectangle in Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device and log into your account. After signing into your Canva account, open up an existing design or start a new one. You can select a design from the recent design list or open up a new design. I'm just going to open up a blank canvas to show you how you can draw the shape. Tap the plus button at the bottom in order to create a new design. And then from the options, you can select the custom size button and then enter the width, height or units in order to create a blank canvas. I'm just going to choose this suggested Instagram post option over here. After choosing a design or opening up a blank canvas where you want to draw a rectangle or a shape, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Elements. Inside Elements, search for Shapes. In the search box at the top, type in Rectangle. After typing down Rectangle, click on the rectangle shape that has been displayed on the screen in order to add it onto your design. After selecting it, you will then be able to see the rectangle added to your design. You can then resize it by dragging the edges and adjusting its proportions to make it longer, wider or square. Go ahead and increase or decrease its size by using the handles on either side of your rectangle. Drag it and place it on your desired area within the frame. You can also go ahead and change the color of your rectangle by choosing the color option. You can keep adding more shapes and designs if you want, using the same process. And that's how you can easily add a rectangle in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.